So, 50 years, first person ever to get to 50 years for RRG. Right. Obviously we've got another one in 3 years' time. Where is he? Is he here?
He's over there.
He's over there. He's over there. So, we've got your card.
Thank you.
But we've also, obviously we normally pay £1,000, but we've increased that to £2,000 in travel vouchers.
Right.
Obviously all tax paid and everything, so
thank you.
Hopefully you can get somewhere.
I'm sure.
Somewhere with that. So enjoy. But
yeah.
Don't book it on the 6th of June because you're going to the races as well.
You're going to the races.
Oh, right.
And we've got a buffet lunch for you upstairs as well.
Right.
Yeah. So you can join us for some lunch.
Right.
So yeah. Anything you want to say?
Well, I can remember the day I started with Phil. I never thought I'd be here this long, and I've never seen as much transformation in the group from when we started at RRG in a little garage, and it's all come to this now, and it's unbelievable.
Yeah. Well, you've been a big part of the journey.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Thank you.
50 years is absolutely amazing.
I know.
And we've got 3 years more for Rick. Yeah. So, well done.
Right.
Thank you. So come and join us upstairs.
Right.
You can join us as well, Rick.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks everyone.
Yeah, thank you.